Yeah, hello students. How are you? I hope you all are well. Students, today we will learn chapter number 3, that is addition of two-digit numbers. Addition of two-digit number. Now class, symbol of addition, this. Okay. So our learning objectives are addition using the hundreds grades and addition by the forward counting, addition of two-digit numbers without carry, addition of three two-digit number without carry, addition of two-digit numbers without carry, addition of three two-digit numbers with carry, and word problems class. So let's start the chapter. Let's start the let's start the chapter. Class, look at the picture carefully. See class, this is a picture. This is a shop of sweets. There are many sweets. Okay, now count and add the sweets. See class, this is a gulab jamun. We have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and there is a another sweet 1, 2, 3, 4. See class. So count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are total 9 sweets. Okay. Now again count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. These are 17 sweets. Okay class. Now, addition using the 100 grids. Now class, in the previous class, we have learned to add numbers on the number line. Okay. Now, we know addition means to combine two or more numbers or quantities. हमें क्या करना होता है एडिशन में उनको कंबाइन करना होता है नंबर्स और क्वांटिटीज को. Now, adding tens. To add tens to a number on a 100 grid, we move downwards from that number. We move downwards from that number. To add tens, we move one step downward. To add 20, we move two steps downwards. See class. These are the counting till 1 to 100. So it is a 100 grid. Now, अब हम see class. This is a counting. To add 30, we move 3 steps. See class. We have to add 30. We move 3 steps downwards and so on. See the down arrows. See class. सीधा अब हमें क्या करना है यहाँ पे 1 and 10. उसने 10 को ऐड किया, 12 में 10 को ऐड किया, तो इट इज 32. अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे डाउनवर्ड्स जा रहे हैं स्टेप्स को. सी क्लास 12 प्लस 10 22. यहाँ पर 12 प्लस 10 22. ओके, यहाँ पे हमने 12 में क्या ऐड किया है 22. 12 प्लस 10 22. नाउ 30 प्लस 20. अब हमने 30 प्लस 20, सो इट इज 33. नाउ 40 प्लस 30, 14 प्लस 30, it is 44. Now 42 plus 20, 42 plus 20, it is 62. So class, adding ones. Now adding ones, to add ones to a number to on a 100 grid, we move to the right and downwards from that number. To add 1 to a number, we move one step to the grid from that number. To add 2. To add 2, we move 2 steps. To add 3, we move 3 steps and so on. Class C. 26 plus 1, so we move 1 step, and 36 plus 2, we move 2 step. 38, 46 plus 3, 49. 55 plus 4, 59. C class, like this. Now, adding tens and ones on a 100 grids. To add two digit number to another number. हमें two digit number में another number को add करना है on 100 grids. We follow these steps. Split the two digit number into tens and ones. Okay. पहले हम उसको क्या करेंगे split कर देंगे. Then move as many steps downward as in the numbers of tens. Now then move as many steps to the right. अब क्या होगा right as is the number of ones. Okay. We have to add 23 plus 16. This 23 into tens and ones. 23, तो क्या करेंगे हम 20 plus 3 is equal to 2 tens plus 3 ones. Start from 16 and move 2 steps downward to add 2 tens. We get 16 plus 20 is equal to 36. Now from 36, move 3 steps to the right to add 3 ones. We get 36 plus 3, 39. The above sum can be shown as 16 plus 23, 16 plus 20 plus 3, 36 plus 3, 39, like this. Addition by forward counting. Now class, we can add any two numbers by counting forward from one another. See class example, add 62 plus 8 by forward counting. Now to add 62 and 8, we start from 62 and count 8 numbers ahead. 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So here is 62 plus 8, 70. Now example, add 74 and 5 by forward counting. Again, to add 75, 74 and 5, we start from 74 and count 5 numbers ahead. Count 5 numbers ahead. 75, 4, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. So the required sum is 79. Now come on the exercise 3.1. Using the 100 grids, write the numbers which is now 10 more than 26, 36. Now 10 more than 29, 39. 20 more than 46, 66, 96, 30, 45. Now it is 69. Now 40 more than 12, 52, 63. Understand? Rest of the parts class, do yourself. Now add the following by forward counting. Now class, 65 plus 9. So now we have to forward 9 steps. Now 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. How many steps? 5, 70, 71, 72, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 73, 9. Now 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73 and 74 and 74. So we forward 9 step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here will come 74. Now 23 plus 9. So 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 and 32. So here will come 32. Understand class? List all the parts. Do yourself. Now class, addition of two digit numbers without carry. Now class, add 43 and 36, arrange in expanded form. 43, 4 tens, 3 ones, 36, 3 tens and 6 ones. So 3 plus 6, 9, 4 plus 3, 7. You can write in the short form like this also. Then, okay, now step 2, add ones. 3 plus 6, 9 and write in under ones column. See. Now step 3rd, add tens. 4 plus 3, 7 and write 7 under tens column. So 43 plus 36 is equal to 79. Now class, addition of three two-digit numbers without carry. Now 32, 41, 21. Now there is three two-digit number. Now arrange in expanded form. Similarly, 3 tens, 2 ones, 4 tens, 1 ones, 2 tens and 1 ones. Now 4 and 9. You can write it in short form also. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Now 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. See? Now firstly add the add ones. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, right? 4 under the ones column. Now add tens. 3 plus 4 7 plus 2 9, 9, right? 9 under the tens column. So 32 plus 41 plus 21 is equal to 94. Now class, come on the exercise 3.2. Add the following numbers. 4 plus 5 9, 3 plus 1 4, 2 plus 4 6, 3 plus 2 5. Okay. Now class, 5 plus 4 9, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9, 5 plus 2 7. Now class, your rest of the parts do yourself. Okay. Now addition of two digit numbers with a carry. With a carry. Now add 26 and 38. Expanded form again, 2 tens 6 ones, 3 tens 8 ones. So 5 tens 14 ones. So 14 ones, 5 tens 14 ones, and 5 tens plus 1 tens plus 4 ones. Now 5 tens and 1 tens plus 6 tens plus 4 ones. So 6 tens plus 4 ones 64. Now short form, arrange the number to be added in columns. 8 plus 6, add ones. Now 8 plus 6 14 ones. 14 means 1 tens plus 4 ones. Now class, write 4 under the ones column. 4 and 1 carry over 1 tens to the tens column. Okay, add tens. 1 tens carries plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6 tens. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6. Write 6 under the tens column. So 26 plus 38 is equal to 64. Now class, add of three two-digit numbers with carry. Now we can add three numbers also by the same method. We can use the same method. Let us add 37, 24 and 19. Again we write the numbers in column from and add column wise. Now firstly we have to write the numbers. Now add 1, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 9 20, carry 2, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8. Okay, like this. So the required sum is 80. 80. Okay. Now come on the exercise 3.3. Add the following numbers. 7 plus 6 13. Carry 1. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 4 8. Now 9 plus 8 17. 7. Carry 1. 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 3 9. Yes class, rest of the parts do yourself. Class, do the sums carefully. Okay. Now come on the word problems. Example, there are 59 bags. कितने bags है? 59 bags. And bags of wheat. किसके? Wheats. गेहूं के 59 bags and 36 bags of rice. चावल के कितने bags है? 36 in a godown. How many bags of the grains are there in all? कितने total कितने वो है वहां पर bags? Now 9 plus 6 15, carry 1, 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9. So total bags are 96. Now Rahul reads two books in a day. राहुल एक दिन में दो बुक पढ़ता है and one book has 34 pages and another book has 46 pages. एक बुक में 34 pages है और दूसरी बुक में 46 pages है. How many pages does he read in a day? जब वो दो बुक पढ़ता है तो वो कितने पेजेस पढ़ता है दिन में? तो 6 plus 4 10, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 4 8. So the required sum is 80. Yes class, now class, your chapter is completed. Prepare it very well and we will meet you in next class. Thank you.